So to end this Premiere Pro session, the last thing we want to do is to share our content with the world. And this is exporting our stuff out here. So that's what we're going to end up doing. Let's go in and export. So what we're going to do is we want to take this and we want a video file. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to File and we're going to go to Export. And we want to choose Media. And we get a pop-up here. Alright, now the format that you want to choose, you'll see a bunch of different formats, but the format that you want is H.264. That's the format that we want here. So H.264. Alright, okay, cool deal. So what I want to do now is, I'm cool with what we have here. Alright. So next what I want to do is I want to output this. So let's click on output and we're just going to save this on my desktop. We'll call this footage and I'll hit save. Alright. Now what you have is a preset. Now this footage, just because it's download friendly, I wanted this to be in 720p. This is really easy. The footage that you all will shoot, so what you're going to end up choosing is this high quality 1080p. Alright, but for my case, this high quality 720p is what I need, and we're going to talk about what that means in class. But for you all, I don't want you to choose 720. I'm going to have your project, when we talk about your project, we're going to talk about having it in 1080p, alright? And make sure that we're going to make sure that your cameras are set to that. But for this, 720p. And we want to make sure that we're exporting video and exporting audio. Both of those are checked. And the last thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have use maximum render quality selected. So we want to make sure that Premiere Pro is using all of its power to render our stuff correctly. Alright, and the last thing that we're going to do is just hit export. And it's taking 40 seconds. And we'll just sit and wait for this for a second. But once we do that, we'll have a video file and we can export it to YouTube. We can put it on our website. You can give people the actual video file itself, but it's ready and it's processed for your viewership. But what you want to do is make sure that everything is the way you want it before you export, because you're going to have to go back, fix those things, and then come back and export it again. So we're almost done here, right at 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Cool, and it's done. So looking back, here it is, footage. So if I double click,
and then sometimes people have medication.
there it is. So what we've done is we've actually we've exported correctly. So with all of that, what you did was you got a quick crash course in Premiere Pro, and you can do pretty much anything now. So you're at a basic intermediate level where now you understand how video editing works. So as you go into, if you're a cinema major, as you go into deeper classes, you will start learning a lot more about Premiere Pro and the things that you can do. But this was a basic crash course on understanding Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed it.